Hey everyone, welcome back to Just Love Cooking. This is Chris, and today what we've made for you is beef kofta meatballs and homemade hummus. So here it is. So let's try it out. Delicious. Creamy hummus and tender kofta meatballs. What I want to do is just make this into a wrap actually. Put the meatballs in here. Got the lettuce, tomato, raw onions. I'm gonna scoop up this hummus and just dump it all over this. There you go. Just take one big bite. Pretty messy. That's pretty good. Well, anyway, I got some feedback after my first video, and a lot of the feedback was, did you actually cook that? And of course I did. So enjoy the rest of the video, and I'm gonna smash this right now. Make sure to smash my subscribe button too, right here. Peace.